Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So here I have some mushroom, and the other day I have one friend mentioning that running out of idea what to eat. I think the best thing is actually not eat. We have too much energy. No, we have too much food and nutrition in our body. If we cannot find an idea, maybe we just do not need it. Anyway, this is not nice to say. Okay, so here I have different kind of mushrooms. So let me put in okay, let's put in a plate. And this video is not so much about cooking, but about something that we neutrally care about and we all concern about. So that mushroom store vendor have something like 8-10 kinds of mushroom, and this is their king oyster mushroom. No, this is a trumpet mushroom. This is a trumpet. I think it's because its shape more or less like trumpet. Now let me put it down a little bit so that you can see clearly. And it's very clean. If you do not feel it clean, and this video is about how to wash it. And it is so clean, so maybe there is a little bit of these pieces from dropping out, and I feel there is no need to wash it. And this is a trumpet mushroom, and the meat or the texture is relatively crunchy and chewy. I cannot find exactly something that is similar to it. It's a little bit like zucchini, the texture when it is not totally cooked through, that kind of texture. Mushroom has its own unique texture, so it's very hard to compare. Okay, so this is, there is a QR code. Maybe you can take a picture and scan this seller. Okay, so this is a trumpet mushroom. This is a yellow oyster mushroom. Look at it. It's also very, very clean. And there are friends, this is the mushroom root kind of, and you may not feel that this is good to eat. Then discard it or wash it. And how do I take care of it? I just open it up. You can see how clean it is. And there are always people asking what you eat with it, how to eat it. And that friend, that seller, vendor said, this kind of mushroom is good for putting in salad. And I used to, the very first time I eat raw mushroom was when I lived in Paris. That white little button mushroom, or we call it a cremini, and it's kind of firm, and when it is really very fresh, it's a little bit crunchy, so very delicious. And I have never tried to cook this, put this into salad. So you can see it's quite clean. Maybe there, from here or there are some little dust. You can use a brush to brush it off, or damp kitchen towel. I do not think I will clean this particular one. And I asked them because many friends caring about it. And I asked, and that vendor said, you do not wash it. I say, how do you wash it? He said, word by word, I am repeating his word. You do not wash it. This is a clean, organically grown, you do not clean it. And I am very sure, I have been in farmers market for many years, and every week I go there to buy. I know them. So I feel very comfortable. And these are the people who take care and pride in their product. So that is. And this is Shiitake mushroom and ugly shiitake. I like ugly things. And in my opinion, something that is not good looking, they must have a reason to be, to exist, to be better. So ugly mushroom, usually they taste better. And the vegetables who looks ugly, a lot of time and almost all the time looks, they are better. It's the same like people. When people are too good looking, they do not need to use their brain, right? So their intelligence, or yeah. So people who is not good looking, and it's my, maybe this is my culture, and so we appreciate, my family appreciate brain. So they always tell me, you are not good looking, you cannot make a living out of your face, you better study hard. Anyway, so shiitake mushroom, this a little bit more dust here, so you would want to use a damp towel to dust it off. And there's actually not very much you can do about it, just and that's how you clean it. Okay, this is how you clean it. And the shiitake mushroom, maybe you want to cut it off if you cook for others, for friends to come here. But if only for yourself, I myself, I eat them all. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, as you can see, this is a lot. Why do I cook so much? Because I will cook it and leave for the week to use. The whole week. Okay, so we turn on the fire, put it on the pot, and there is something I do different from others. I put onion and, oh, you will see it. I put ginger and onion first, even before the oil. Imagine if you put the oil and the oil temperature becomes hot, and then it will splash all over, right? If you have a nanny taking care of the house, if you have cleaners to take care of the house, of course you can do it. I do not. I take care of my house, and I clean up the kitchen. I do not want to get myself too much job in that, so I put this first. And now I can put here. So I will put the majority in the container, and the left I will cook a vegetable. Are you seeing what I am seeing? Bit light, looks pretty. Oh, you may want to put some more water actually, but we know it's clean and fresh. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Bon appetito. Okay, we want to make it a little bit pretty, so I do not take all of them out. More water. I want to see the water. I want to see the sauce, the juice. Look at it. We have some Shiitake mushroom, which is the same method. Bon appetito. Look at it.